Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your online class. I hope all of you are doing your work well, study well. Okay. So today we'll discuss a new topic. We'll start with a new topic. What uses of concave and convex mirror? Already we have discussed about the image formation by concave and convex mirror. Today we will discuss how we use the convex and concave mirror in our daily life, real life. Okay. So first, what uses of concave mirror? First point, uses of concave mirror. हम concave mirror का use कैसे करते हैं? Okay. अपने daily life में हम where we will use, in which purpose, okay, we will use the concave mirror. First, all of you have you seen that in the barber shop there will be there is a concave mirror, that is a saving mirror. We use the concave mirror as a saving mirror ना, हम concave mirror को saving mirror के रूप में फॉर्म यूज करते हैं because it's produce a virtual and enlarged image when object is produced or object is placed in between pole and focus. In last case, in the topic image formation of concave mirror, already we have discussed that is a special case now, or exceptional case when object is present in between pole and focus on the principal axis of a concave mirror, it will produce virtual, enlarged and erect image of the object. Okay, clear states? So that's why we'll use the concave mirror as a saving mirror ना. जब इसमें अपना फेस देखते हैं तो क्या होता है, वो तो बड़ा दिखता है अपना फेस और इच्छे से हम उसको यूज करके ना वर्क कर लेते हैं, मीन सेविंग कर लेते हैं ना. क्लियर? सो it is used as a saving mirror. This reason being that when the face of a person is between pole and principal focus of a concave mirror, okay, it produces erect, enlarged and virtual image behind the mirror. See, this Venn diagram already we have seen in the image formation of concave mirror ना, और ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है in between pole and focus, pole and focus. Clear? So what will happen where image is formed? So first layer will take parallel to the principal axis. After reflections, it will pass through the principal focus. Okay, and where it will meet, and one ray will take from the center of curvature. Center of curvature. So there will meet behind the mirror. So here enlarge and erect image is enlarge and erect image is formed. Okay, that's why we use the concave mirror for saving purpose. Second, it is used as a reflector in the headlights of automobiles, such as car, trucks, motorbikes, etc. Even the reflector of a flashlight is concave in nature. The bulb is placed at the principal focus of the concave mirror, okay, reflector when the powerful parallel beams of light is formed. Already we know that now when object is placed at the principal focus, when image is formed, when object is placed at the principal focus in case of concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, अगर आपने कहाँ रखा हो principal focus पर, center of curvature, principal focus, pole. Okay, so object placed here. So where is image formed? See, one ray will take parallel to principal axis. Clear? So a ray formed. What? After reflections, return back to the principal focus, and one from this center of curvature. Center of curvature. Either you can take from the pole. This ray you can take from the pole. See, so where they will meet, and one from center of curvature. And infinity means parallel rays. Same as in case of the headlights of vehicles, motorbikes, okay, automobiles. वहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो headlights होती है उसमें क्या होता है, concave reflector लगा होता है. Means the bulb that is used in the headlights is placed at the principal focus of the concave reflector that will reflect the lights in all directions. Okay, spread over in all directions and becomes parallel. Okay, Clear? So easily we can see the all side views, means all side views, okay, in front of your vehicle. Easily you can see, आप आगे की सारी चीजें देख सकते हैं. Clear? Third, it is used by doctors. Dentist इसको use करते हैं ना, okay, to see inside your mouth any defect, okay, that is already produced in your teeth. Okay, दांतों में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, eating disease or any problem, any defect or infect. Okay, then dentist use this concave mirror to see that particular problems. Okay, because it produce see a very large image na, so that's why easily they can see these problems. So it is used by the doctors to focus the parallel ring of light on a small area, especially for the examinations of the throats, ear, nose and teeth. क्लियर? सो जो प्रॉब्लम्स होगी आपके थ्रोट में या कान में या ईयर में या नोज में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो उसको वॉच करने के लिए, क्लियरली उसको क्लियरिफाई करने के लिए डेंटिस्ट क्या होते हैं, कॉन्केव मिरर को यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? डेंटिस्ट यूज स्पेशल कॉन्केव मिरर टू सी द बैक ऑफ द टूथ बाय प्लेसिंग इट बिहाइंड द टूथ, देन इट वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड लार्ज इमेज इज फॉर्म. सेम चीज अगेन ईयर. क्या होता है, डॉक्टर्स को अंदर की ओर करके इसको ऐसे करके अंदर की ओर टूथ का, आपकी टूथ का क्या होता है, इमेज देखते हैं. क्लियर? ऐसे ईयर के अंदर देखना हो तो इनलार्ज इमेज प्रोड्यूस करता है ना, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोड्यूस बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस, इट प्रोड्यूस द इनलार्ज इमेज ना. सेम एज डेंटिस्ट भी यूज करते हैं ना, ऐसे अंदर की ओर आपके माउथ के अंदर ऐसे डालते हैं, अंदर की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, मतलब टीथ में या थ्रोट में, ईयर में, नोज में. क्लियर? सो उसका वो क्या करता है, इट विल प्रोड्यूस ए इनलार्ज इरेक्ट and virtual image na. So usually they can identify and predict your problems. Okay, next it is used in a solar cooker to convert sun rays. It reflects all sun rays to a so as to convert them on a cooking materials placed at the focus of the concave mirror. We know that now when the object plays at infinity, so in case of concave mirror, when the parallel light rays are coming from the source parallel to the principal axis, अगर बहुत सारे रेज जो है वो बहुत ही लॉन्गेस्ट डिस्टेंस पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हो वहां से आ रहा है, तो क्या होगा, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शंस दे विल मीट ए सिंगल पॉइंट दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल फोकस ना. ये सब क्या होता है, एक सिंगल पॉइंट पे मीट करती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल फोकस. सेम इट विल हैपन इन केस ऑफ व्हाट, सोलर कुकर. उसमें भी ऐसे होता है, सोलर कुकर में भी सेम प्रोसेस यूज. यहाँ पे हम कूलिंग आइटम रखते हैं मटेरियल, ओके, एंड दिस इज अ कॉन्केव मिरर. द लाइट रेज कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन, जो लाइट रेज सन से आती है, ओके, बिकॉज सन इज वेरी farthest from the earth ना, so that's why the light rays becomes parallel, okay, and when they meet this mirror they will reflect after reflections all the rays reach a single point. वो सब क्या होता है, एक सिंगल पॉइंट में मीट करती हैं और they help to produce easily to prepare to cook your food items. Okay, students, clear? Next, it is used as a reflector in floodlights. Source of the light bulb is placed in between the pole and focus of a concave mirror to obtain a diverging beam of light in the floodlights. ऐसे ये फ्लड रिफ्लेक्टर्स में यूज होता है. क्लियर? कॉन्केव मिरर जो है वो क्या होता है, फ्लड रिफ्लेक्टर्स में यूज होता है, जिससे कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट का रियल वर्चुअल इमेज प्रोड्यूस करे. When object is produced between focus and pole, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन रखा होता है, तो क्या होता है, इसका ये इनलार्ज में आपको यहाँ दिखेगा. Clear? One ray parallel with this, then here from the center of the picture, so where they will meet, object is formed. So it is used as a reflective floodlights. जब फ्लड आता है, बाढ़ आता है, तो उसमें जो एनडीआरएफ की टीम होती है वो क्या रात में ये कॉन्केव रिफ्लेक्टर्स यूज करती है. इसमें जो बल्ब लगा होता है वो उसके प्रिंसिपल फोकस और पोल के बीच होता है, जिससे वो क्या होता है, लाइट्स को बहुत ज्यादा स्प्रेड करता है, जिससे इजिली दे कैन सी द वाइड एरिया इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम देम, उनके आगे चारों तरफ के वाइड एरिया को इजिली दे कैन वॉच एंड सी एंड thus predict the issues and problems. Okay, students, so these are the some uses of the concave mirror. Same as we can discuss about the uses of the convex mirror. It is used as a straight line reflector. It diverts the rays over a wide area. Convex mirror में क्या होता है, we know that it is a diverging mirror ना. So when the light ray coming parallel to the principal axis, व्हाट विल हैपन आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद क्या होता है इसमें, और लाइट रे फ्रिक्वेंसी पहले आ रही है, सो इट विल डाइवर्स एंड सीम्स टू मीट प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। ऐसा लगता है कि ये फ्रिक्वेंसी पे एक सिंगल पॉइंट रीड करी, दैट इज व्हाट, प्रिंसिपल फोकस। सो इट इज यूज्ड इन स्ट्रीट लाइट रिफ्लेक्टर में जैसे यूज होता है व्हाट, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। The light means coming from parallel to each other, then it will diverge and spread over the wide area. Okay, students, clear? Now, say we can use the conventional side view mirror in the vehicles and automobiles. हम ऑटोमोबाइल्स और व्हीकल्स में हम कॉन्वेक्स मिरर साइड व्यू मिरर में यूज करते हैं ना, जो साइड मिरर लगाता है व्हीकल्स में, इसलिए इट रिप्रेजेंट द व्हाट, वाइड व्यू एरिया रीजन बिहाइंड द व्हीकल्स। ये पीछे की सारी चीजों को उसमें आप इजिली देख सकते हैं कॉन्वेक्स मिरर की यूज के थ्रू, बिकॉज इट विल कवर ऑल द एरियाज इमेज बिहाइंड द व्हीकल्स एंड इजिली फॉर्म द स्मॉल इमेज ऑफ ऑल द व्हीकल्स दैट इज जस्ट कमिंग बिहाइंड योर व्हीकल। Yes, students. So it is used by a driver as a rear view mirror because it forms a small, erect and diminished image close to the eye of the driver and has helped to him a clear view of the traffic behind him due to its wide field of view. In case of convex mirror, we know that now. In case of convex mirror, see, when object is present anywhere at the principal axis, what happened? One ray will take parallel reflexes diverge and one from the center of curvature. So where the image formed, where the both rays are intersect here, small, erect and diminished. So that's why it helps the driver. ये help करता है पीछे की सारी चीजों को easily drivers can watch and just save your vehicles and just other things. Okay, students. One more use given of convex mirror. What? It is used as a vigilant or anti-theft mirror. These mirrors are used to have a view on the customers entering in as well as going out in departmental stores or a big showrooms. बड़े showrooms में ही convex mirror लगा होता है ना, because it is just help us to view the incoming and outgoing of the customers, okay, passengers and customers, okay, because it's really this we can see the observer that can see easily the movements of the customer inside a big mall, big showrooms, okay, clear? So easily they can identify any problems or issues that will be in the शोरूम्स और मॉल, जो भी प्रॉब्लम से इश्यूज होने वाले हो या हो रहे हो, उनको इसलिए वो आइडेंटिफाई कर सके, प्रेडिक्ट कर सके। दैट्स व्हाई द मॉल्स एंड बिग शोरूम्स एंड आल्सो बिग डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स यूज द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर because it produces all the wide view, rear and wide view of all the objects, okay, image of all the objects in a small form. वो पूरी चारों तरफ के वाइड व्यू को शो करता है। Clear? So this is the overall discussion about the uses of the convex and concave mirror. Easily, students, you can understand these uses of convex and concave mirror by short video clips that will be given to you in the last of this video. Okay, enjoy the video very carefully and just try to better understand this topic, how we can use the convex and concave mirrors in our daily life. Students, thank you. Have a nice day.
In the last 4 or 5 videos, we have been looking at the properties of images formed by convex and concave mirrors. Now the obvious question echoing in everyone's mind must be that in reality, where do we take advantage of these properties? Where do we use convex and concave mirrors? Let's study the uses of a concave mirror first. Have you seen solar heaters? Solar heaters are the devices that use the energy from the sun to heat something. It is the most common device which uses a concave mirror for its function. We already know that the rays of light coming from the object kept at infinity converge after reflecting from the surface of a concave mirror. Here, the sun is very far away and hence the rays of light coming from it are parallel near the Earth's surface. These parallel rays after reflection converge at a point called focus. This focus is a very hot location in space as all the reflected sun rays are concentrated at this point. If we bring a piece of paper at this point, it will quickly catch fire. Now we can use this property of concave mirrors to cook food or heat up liquids. All we need to do is place the container on this stand which is present at or near the focus. It will heat up after some time. You can even make a roti or a papad on this. Where else in the world do we use these types of mirrors? We can use concave mirrors to view the objects which are very far away from us. Yes, I am talking about the astronomical telescopes. How is a concave mirror used in a telescope? When the parallel rays of light from the distant star enter the telescope, they fall on the concave mirror which is placed on the opposite side. This concave mirror then converges all the light at a focal point. So the image of the star is formed at this point in space. The secondary mirror is then placed near this focal point. It's kept like this so that it can reflect the light upwards towards the eyepiece. And the eyepiece has a lens which then magnifies this image. This way we are able to see an enlarged image of a faraway object. This particular type of telescope is also called the Newtonian telescope, as it was Isaac Newton who first came up with this concept. Which is the lens used here near the eyepiece? The lens used here is a convex lens or converging lens. Well, we haven't really studied about lenses yet. Don't worry, we will come to that very soon. First, let's continue to study the applications of curved mirrors. If you remember, in the previous videos, we talked about this mirror which can be found in bathrooms. Many men use it for shaving purposes and quite a few women use it for beautification. Yes, this is also a concave mirror. And it must be very obvious now as to why we use it here. Due to the enlarged image, it gives a better view of our face. One more place where concave mirrors are used is the headlights of automobiles. And why do we use headlights? Headlights help us to see things in front of us in dark or in dim light. And using the headlights, we would want to see the things which may be at a sufficiently large distance ahead of us. So how do we achieve that? Let me quickly review something about concave mirrors. We know that when the object is kept at the focal point, the light rays from the object after reflection travel parallel to each other for a long distance. So if we keep a light source, say a bulb, at or near the focal point of a concave mirror, then almost all the rays from the bulb after reflection will travel in one direction. If the same concept is used in the headlight of a car, it will give us the distant view of the road ahead. This solves our purpose of viewing cars or things which are at quite a distance away from us. However, in reality, we don't really want all the rays to be travelling parallel after reflection. That is, we also want some of the rays to travel a bit sideways. We not only want to see the road ahead, but also the things along the sides. This will help us see the vehicles coming from the other side of the road in opposite direction. So for that purpose, we use what we call as deflectors. They deflect some of the light rays by smaller degrees. Now that we're talking about a car, let's discuss its view mirror. What is the use of the side view mirror of a car? Is this also a concave mirror? Watch our next video to know more.